Dumping a huge technical or an academic PDF into your AI agent wastes a lot of tokens. And in the next session, if you want to reference the same documents, the AI agent completely forgets it. To solve these issues, we have the Book to Skill tool, which can convert any technical book or academic document into a directly usable agent skill. And today, using this tool, I'm going to be building my own skill engine that can convert the God AI paper of Attention is All You Need and also the God Physics book of H.C. Verma into directly usable agent skills. If you are new to the channel, I cover latest AI tools and models and build practical AI projects with them in my Build with AI series. And today's main focus is on Book to Skill tool, which is occupying top spots on GitHub trending and the Python repository trending lists. The core idea of this tool is whenever we buy any technical book, we just read it once, and let's say if 3 months later we want to remember anything, we just completely forget it. And same things happens with AI agents as well. And the usual workarounds, like let's say if we just want to search something in the PDF, we just get a list of pages, not the actual answer we are looking for. Or if we dump that huge book into the AI agent, it either hallucinates, which means it just creates information on its own which is not there in the book, or it says that it doesn't have the relevant content. But Book to Skill solves both of these issues by converting that book into a structured skill that our AI agent loads on demand whenever we ask any relevant query. This results in a 24 to 50 times fewer tokens that the agents will use compared to when we dump that entire book into the context to answer one simple question. To use the tool also, it is just simple 3 steps. We just need to point the tool to the relevant file that we have in our folder. Then the tool will distill that book into a direct skill with all the frameworks, decision rules, patterns, and per chapter skill files. And it is not a summary of a book, but rather a structure of your whole book with different chapters. So the agent will know which section to look at whenever you ask any query. Then you just need to type a simple ask command and the agent will instantly read the right chapters without making any mistakes. Let us look at what this tool actually generates whenever we give any book to it. It breaks your simple PDF files into much smaller smart files, like the skill.md core file, which will hold the main mental model of your book, which helps the AI to easily understand the overall book structure. Then it generates specific files for every single chapter, where these individual chapter files are only loaded when they are needed. This keeps your prompt that you're giving to the agent completely clean and relatively fast. Then you get a detailed glossary file with all the key terms, where these terms are sorted nicely with all their chapter references. This makes finding specific definitions really easy for your AI. Then it isolates all the patterns and the architectures into this pattern.md file, where these are stored safely so the agent can reference these technical designs at any time. Finally, it gives you a cheat sheet with all the decision tables, which gives quick references rule for the AI agent to work. You can think of it having a perfect summary of all the best practices. And this tool does not just work for the large books. You can use it perfectly on any kind of prose. So any book that you read constantly is a perfect candidate. Like you can process all of your internal company documentation with it, and it will fold the entire document folder into a single skill. And it is also really helpful if you have some brand and design system documents, a stack of research papers plus your own notes, and the tool can merge them into a single unified skill, or if you have some specifications or standards document for your contracts or compliance. Now is the time for actual uses in our own local system. As usual, I'm going to be using Google Anti-Gravity as my project environment, and I've kept 2 simple documents in my project folder. First is the Attention is All You Need, which is the core research paper that led to all the AI assistants that you see today like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. It gave the simple key idea of attention mechanism that was incorporated in the transformer architectures. Then second is the kinematics chapter from the physics book given by H.C. Verma. Now for the core engine, I'm going to be using the Hermes agent with the AI brain configured to the local Ollama model. The specific model I'm going to be using is IBM Granite 4.1, which is just 3 billion parameter big and is really good at instruction following. So inside the Hermes agent, all the requests will be sent to the local Ollama URL with the API key set as dummy Ollama because we are not using any AI APIs. Then this skill synthesizer class will be used in our book to skill py file, which will import it from the Hermes agent file here. Now I've cloned the book to skill repo also in my same subfolder. Now first we are going to be loading the PDF from the given user PDF path, and here the Python library PDF reader will be used. And we are going to be loading all the pages from the PDF document. Then we are going to be converting that PDF into a direct skill, and all the chapters, skill file, glossary file, and the patterns file will be saved in the same subfolder. Finally, the user can give their input PDF file, the output directory where they want the final output skills, and the specific AI model that should be used in the Hermes agent. Now to run this entire pipeline, you first need to clone the official repository. So just paste this command in the anti-gravity terminal. Next, we just need to check all the Python dependencies. So just run this command in the terminal and it will automatically check all the dependencies for the extract file in our book-to-skill repo. Then you can download your preferred Ollama model using simple Ollama run query. As I'm using Granite 4.13b, I have named that here, but you can use any of your preferred models. Now once we have downloaded this model, first we need to install the PyPDF library, which will be used as the engine to read the PDF files. So I'll just open the terminal and paste the pip install command here. And now all the dependencies are ready. We just need to run the Python book-to-skill command on both of our PDFs. So I'll copy both these commands which are reading the given PDFs with the output to be saved in this skills subfolder. So I'll just copy these, open a new terminal and paste them here. After the whole execution is done, you will see the same subfolders and you can check all the contents. Let's say if we go to SC Verma and if I open the cheat sheet, I'll see all the kinematic equations, the free fall equations, relative velocity, and all the key formulae that are listed in the book. Then there is the glossary for explaining all the specific terms like acceleration, constant velocity, displacement, and the different patterns in the book like the problem solving patterns. What are all the steps that you should follow for solving all problems, core formulas, and the step-by-step method to solve any example problem. Then is the main skill.md file which later on all the AI agents can use, which will list the mental model of the document, the key frameworks, and all the topics and the chapter indexes. Then there are specific files also saved in the chapter subfolder. Similarly, all these files are also made for the attention skill PDF, explaining all the different concepts that are listed in the paper like transformer, self-attention, multi-head attention, and what are encoder and decoder patterns in neural networks. So now you can refer all these files whenever you want any question later on, instead of passing your huge documents into the AI agents. And you are not even restricted to the PDF files, as you can give the e-publication file that is usual for the academic papers or other documents like Microsoft Doc, HTML, mobile formats, or the text markdown formats as well. So that was it for this breakdown. The book-to-skill tool is the absolute best way to turn massive documents into the cheap, lightning fast skills that we have done today for our AI agents. All these code files and the readme file with step-by-step instruction on how to set up the project will be available in GitHub link in description and pinned comments. So you can directly copy these and get started with the tool right now. Let me know in comments if you have some suggestions for me to build more local AI projects, and follow the channel for more such AI builds, updates, and workflows.